I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Microsoft account is correctly signed in. Mismatched accounts commonly trigger 0x87e00196. Once done, verify system date/time and a stable internet connection. A bad clock breaks license checks. Next, power cycle the console or PC. Shut down fully, unplug for about 30 seconds, then restart to clear temporary locks. These steps reset authentication tokens and network states, so you can see whether the problem is a transient cache or you now focus on account refresh and store integrity because the error often stems from corrupted tokens or store cache. Sign out of the Xbox app or console profile, then sign back in to force a license recheck. If on Windows, run WS Reset or reset the Microsoft Store app via settings to clear cached store data. Next, make sure system and app updates are installed and that you have sufficient storage. Stalled updates can block installs until resolved. These actions repair the store flow and reapply entitlement checks. You finish by reinstalling the affected game or app after a fresh restart. That ensures corrupted files are replaced. If the issue involves a purchase, remove and re-add your payment method cautiously to refresh billing tokens, but only after confirming account details. If the error persists, attempt the install on an alternate device to isolate console versus account problems. One key troubleshooting tip: capture exact timestamps and error occurrences, because when you contact Microsoft support, those details accelerate entitlement and server log checks and lead to a faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.